Hi everyone, my name is Daquan Ishman, and I am going to talk to you guys about an engineering software called Solidworks. I am going to do a brief tutorial and sneak peek of what an engineer's life is like. And here we're going to do a part file, which an engineer and they always starts off with. First thing first, and always start off with a sketch. Basically, and we want to make a shape, and basically, and try to get an imagination of what the object would look like. So first we'll start off with a circle, choose our plane, which always the top plane, start from the bottom base, and choose the view, how we want to see it, always the top view. So we start off like that, first, escape, so delete that circle and start a new one. Sometimes the software get a little janky, but we can always pull through it though. So for engineering, we always make a little sketch and then do the smart dimensioning, which I would want this circle to be a diameter of 10 exactly, which will be 10, and then after that we'll do base extrude, which will go to this right here, and we will do 5 inches, which make that base right there, and then you also rotate the shape and everything to see and to see the features around it and everything, which is a very smooth little cylinder. Then we can also do a sketch on top of it, sketch, and press the view again, see how you want to view it. And basically, now what I'm going to do is make another circle. Now this is how we make pipes or little gaskets and everything for cars or for buildings or for just pipelines. So basically we do it basically choose a feature called the extruded cut, which you will cut inside of the circle, which will actually make a little short pipe and basically hit through all, and it goes to the whole shape. And there we go, we got a whole little shaft and everything for a little pipe or for a little gasket to basically connect 2 holes. And next we're going to do another sketch on top of this and make a little square, something like that right here, and then extrude again, and there I just have a little connector right there to connect the to connect the pipe and everything, which is very unique. So there you have it, and there's a little brief discussion of SolidWorks, and thank you for watching.